To be honest, in the beginning, I was really curious because I had never heard about low code. And what I heard from my friends was never good. They were always saying, is there a market for it? Is there a place where I will be able to work, where I can use this knowledge? When I noticed the time that I took to create the same thing on Python, when I was learning, of course, but I think it took around a month to create my whole API working correctly, everything. After I tried something similar on OutSystems, it took like a day. And it shouldn't take a day, it should take like some minutes now if I would try nowadays. But it was such a difference. I was like, okay, I can really create a lot of things and faster. I can show the ideas that I have in time for them to still be relevant. And this works not only for one API or one thing, it works for the whole logic. I see now that there is a big market in a lot of companies that I didn't even know they used OutSystems. And well, that's not a fear anymore.